and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup video and I am so happy to be back with another makeup video. Sometimes I'm in a real makeup mood and then sometimes I'm not, and I feel like lately I've definitely been in more of that kind of beauty mood. So I wanted to do this makeup tutorial, but I didn't want it to be just like another makeup tutorial that's just like a similar kind of look and just showing you how to do it. I wanted today's video to be more so about the products that I'm using rather so than the look that I'm creating. This look is definitely really nice. I really like it personally. I think it's really wearable. It's very glowy and fresh. But the twist to this video is that every single product that I use on my face can be found for under £10. If you guys are from another country, just Google and see what the conversion rate is. Now that's like really inexpensive for these days. I think makeup is definitely risen in price. You definitely used to be able to get more for your money makeup wise, but I definitely feel like the quality of makeup is stepping up as well. So pretty much every single product that I used, I'm pretty sure is under the price of £10. So everything is super affordable and it still creates a really gorgeous look. So everything I use is really inexpensive. You definitely don't have to have everything that I'm using, but hopefully you guys can find some good product suggestions within this video. If you guys want me to do more videos using products under £10, then let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking the subscribe button down below. So don't forget to click the bell so that you guys are notified every single time I upload every single Monday. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram too, which is just Leyla. Let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so the first product that we're going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Primer, and this is the anti-redness one. This one is actually only $8.99 from Feel Unique, so this is a really decent price. I love this primer because it really helps to cut down on redness, and it's just a good base for underneath your makeup, especially if you suffer from scarring or anything like that. Next, we're going to be using the Rimmel Match Perfection, and this is only £5.80 from Feel Unique. I honestly struggled to find foundations for under this price that were actually decent, and although I'm not the biggest fan of this foundation, like this isn't one of my favorites, this is so good for the price. I would say this has a medium coverage. I applied this with a beauty blender and I definitely feel like it was quite sheer, so I did have to apply it a little bit more in certain areas, and it kind of had like a demi matte, a little bit of a dewy look on me, so I had to powder it quite well. But all around a really good foundation for the price, and that's what we're looking for within this video, I suppose, although there are definitely better drugstore foundations out there. Next up for concealer, I'm going to be using the 17 Stay Time Concealer, and this is only 19p on Boots. I don't know why it's so inexpensive, but I mixed it with the Rimmel Wake Me Up, which is $6.49 from Superdrug. I like the combination of these two just because one is quite full coverage and thick, and then the other one is a little bit more dewy, and I just like doing this with a lot of concealers. I definitely feel like both of these concealers really do a really good job of doing what they're supposed to do, and also brightening as well, just because my foundation was a little bit off as a match. It was a little bit dark and just the tone wasn't quite right, so the concealer really helped to balance everything out, and I just like the consistency of both of these concealers, and I definitely feel like they are great value for money. Next up for my powder, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fix powder. This is $8.99 from feelunique.com, and this is a really good, just all-round good translucent powder. It's a little bit like, I was going to say powdery, and I know that sounds kind of silly, but it's like very, very, very fine as a powder, which is nice, but it does leave a little bit of that powdery residue, but it's totally understandable for the price. And then next, I'm just using the EX1 Invisiwear Compact Powder, and I'm using a little bit of a lighter shade under my eyes and a darker shade for my bronzer. Now, there are a lot of drugstore bronzers, but I personally really like to use a darker powder to bronze my skin, and I think it's a really nice way to do it. These powders are really great in formula, but they do come out a little bit darker on the skin as the actual shade, so some of the lighter colors actually come out a little bit darker than you expect, and even the bronzing shade I had to kind of go over with my foundation brush just to make sure that it kind of blended out smoothly. This is definitely a great all-rounder, and it has great shades, especially if you have an olive undertone. Just went underneath my contour line, sort of, using some of the powder, the loose translucent powder, and left it there for a little while as I did a few other things on my face, just to kind of let it sit there and make that line a little bit sharper. Next up for blush, I'm going to be using this one from Topshop, and it is only £10. It is dead on our budget mark, but it's a really great quality blush. And also I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome, which is $7.99 from Feel Unique, and I really love this highlight. I use it all the time, so this just comes as no surprise. I love this one. For my brows, it's hard to put my Benefit and Anastasia products down, but I do love some of the NYX Cosmetics brow mascaras. I think they're really great, and these ones are tinted. They're only £6.50, and they definitely make your routine a lot quicker because they're obviously like tinting your eyebrows as you are applying your brow mascara, and they're keeping them in place. So I'm just running that through first of all, and then I am using the Lottie London eyebrow pencil, which is only £6.45 from Look Fantastic, and this is a great eyebrow pencil. It has the spoolie on the other end, which is definitely a must-have for me. I like this kind of form of an eyebrow pencil because it's just really easy to use. You can blend everything out with the spoolie, and it's really fine. The color was really soft and not too over the top, but also it had great pigment at the same time, so I'm super impressed with this, and I'll definitely keep using this eyebrow pencil. Yeah, it definitely surprised me. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Salted Caramel palette, which is only $8.99 from Superdrug. Honestly, it's really hard to find an eyeshadow palette that's got a good, decent selection of colors, good pigmentation for under £10, but Makeup Revolution definitely takes the cake for this. They have a lot of good palettes that are around the £10 mark or even underneath it. Their pigmentation is still really, really great. These are known to be dupes for the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes. They're not as good as the chocolate bar palettes, honestly, but they come pretty close, and considering the price, I think they're really great. They're a good like dupe brand. They do a lot of good dupes. So yeah, I use this palette to create this really simple gold eye look. Like I've said to you guys, like this isn't about the makeup tutorial in itself, but I really love this. I used like 3 or 4 colors from this palette and just created this really soft gold look, and I'm loving it. And this palette is really great just for nice soft bronzy everyday looks. Okay guys, so this is the only thing that comes just above. I believe these lashes are £10 or £11.50, but if you subscribe and get them every so often from forcelashes.co.uk, they come down to £9.99, so it still kind of counts, but it is a little bit over. But I love those lashes, they're insane. For my lip pencil, I'm using the Rimmel Cappuccino lip pencil, which you guys know I love. I am using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink combined with this Revolution bronzer patted on top. Really pretty nude like lip combination, and adding that shimmer on top was just the like to top it off. And then I wanted to make it glossy, so I applied the Barry M That Swell Gloss, which is only $4.99. Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it informative. Let me know down in the comments if you found a new product that you're really excited to try. Also let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one next Monday. Bye guys.